There comes a moment in every life when everything crumbles. When what once held us up, identity, success, stability, suddenly falls away. The inspiration for the Ground Zero method was born from this exact moment in our collective history. September 11th, a day of collapse, but also the beginning of something new. When the towers fell, a call was made, 911, a universal signal of help, of urgency, of reset. When someone reaches their personal 911 moment, they don't need more surface-level advice or conversation. They need to go deeper, to the blueprint behind their breakdown, to the architecture of their subconscious. The Ground Zero method bypasses conscious-level processing and goes directly to the root. This isn't talk, it's transformation. Phase 1. Rubble. We begin in the rubble, not to relive the past, but to locate the energy still buried beneath it. Old trauma, invisible sabotage, identity distortions. We clear what the conscious mind could never reach. Phase 2. Foundation. Once cleared, we rebuild. A stable inner structure is poured. We reprogram the subconscious identity, recalibrate the nervous system, and restore clarity to the entire human operating system. Phase 3. The Tower. This is the emergence of the new self, a sovereign being, a clear signal, now able to build, lead, love, and live at a new frequency, no longer in survival, but in creation. This method was created for those who've tried everything and are finally ready for what works. I've guided elite professionals, creatives, and those in crisis through this transformation because sometimes when life breaks you down, it's not the end. It's a calling to rebuild. If you or someone you love is facing their 911 moment, the Ground Zero method is here, not to rescue, but to rebuild.